Hi, my name is Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I wanted to go through the 2019 Winnebago Navion 24V. This is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, so you get all of that great mileage and durability of the Mercedes platform. This is a full body paint coach. It does have the 3.6 liter onboard Onan LP generator. You got a full electric awning over this side, but the most interesting thing about this one is the floor plan. It's a great floor plan, one of the more popular ones, and that's because on the inside you've got multiple use bedroom. In the back it can be either two twins or a full king size bed. It gives you lots of options on your sleeping. You got full cabinetry, a nice Norcold 3-way refrigerator, 2-burner cooktop, convection microwave, a nice 28-inch RC TV directly across from your seating area. This does fold out into a bed, so you've got additional sleeping there, as well as sleeping over the cockpit. You've got your overhead bunks up there. Moving back towards the rear, you've got easily accessible bathroom here. Nice large size, good full shower. And then back here, of course, you got either your two twins or your full king with full cabinetry and storage above the beds, and a nice TV to watch whenever you want. Again, this is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, so you get excellent gas mileage, a lot of bang for your buck, great dependability. This is the 2019 Winnebago 24V Navion. Any questions, give me a call, 541-654-1820, or email me at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much.